Hey there, gamers. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Today, we've got all the inside scoop on how to configure the perfect gaming laptop for an unbeatable gaming adventure. So, grab your popcorn and let's dive right in. 1. Asterisk processor, CPU. Look for a powerful multi-core processor from Intel, Core i5, i7, i9, or AMD, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9. Higher clock speeds and more cores will enhance gaming performance. 2. Graphics card, GPU. This is crucial for gaming. Aim for a dedicated GPU such as NVIDIA GeForce RTX or AMD Radeon RX series, with higher RAM for better performance at higher resolutions. 3. RAM, asterisk 16GB is the minimum recommendation for gaming. More RAM helps in multitasking and smoother gameplay. Look for DDR4 or DDR5 for better performance. 4. Asterisk storage, asterisk a combination of SSD, solid-state drive, for faster load times and HDD, hard disk drive, for mass storage is ideal. An SSD will significantly improve game load times and overall system responsiveness. 5. Asterisk display, asterisk a high refresh rate, 144Hz or higher, and low response time, 1 millisecond are important for smoother gameplay. Full HD, 1920 by 1080, resolution is common, but you can go for higher resolutions if your GPU can handle it. 6. Asterisk cooling, asterisk gaming laptops tend to heat up quickly. Look for laptops with good thermal management, multiple fans, and effective heat sinks. 7. Asterisk ports, asterisk ensure the laptop has enough USB ports, including USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, and an Ethernet port for a stable online gaming experience. 8. Asterisk battery life, asterisk gaming laptops generally have shorter battery life due to high performance components. However, a decent battery life for everyday tasks is still important. 9. Asterisk build quality and design, asterisk sturdy build quality and a design that appeals to you are worth considering. Also, pay attention to keyboard quality and comfort. 10. Asterisk audio, asterisk a good set of speakers or audio output is important for an immersive gaming experience. Look for laptops with good audio technology. 11. Asterisk upgradability, asterisk check if the laptop allows you to upgrade components like RAM and storage in the future. This can extend the laptop's lifespan. 12. Asterisk price, asterisk gaming laptops can be expensive. Set a budget and try to find the best balance between performance and cost. Remember that the latest generation components tend to offer better performance and efficiency. It's important to keep an eye on reviews and benchmarks for specific laptop models to gauge their gaming performance and overall value. Thanks for tuning in. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for more gaming insights and tech tips. Until next time, happy gaming.